When creating a survey, there are three main steps: questions, design, and configuration. Today we will learn about the design step, a very important step given that first impressions matter and that it is very important to make your surveys visual and appealing for respondents. Within the design, there are three elements to work on: themes, typography, and background. Let's start with themes. What is a theme? A theme is a set of aesthetic elements that Survey Kiwi's design team has created in order to save users the trouble of creating everything from scratch. The theme offers a background image, a set of fonts and colors for the text and buttons. In this section, you will be able to select one of the 20 predefined themes that exist in Survey Kiwi. By clicking on the option you like, you can pre-visualize how the survey will look with that particular design on the right side of the screen. Also, by clicking on the top right margin, you will be able to see how each theme will look like on different devices. Underneath each predefined theme, you can observe some colored circles that reflect the font color of the title, subtitle, start button, and background. You can also create and save your own themes to use in future campaigns. You can do this by modifying whatever you want on the next steps. Once you do change something, the following button will appear: Create New Theme. By clicking on it, a pop-up will appear and you will be able to assign a name to your new theme. Once you assign a name and save the theme, it will appear saved in the top part of the theme section, which you will be able to select in future campaigns and also rename or delete. In the typography section, you will be able to personalize your survey's typography, size, and colors. As you can see, you will be able to edit your campaign section by section. First, the welcome and thank you titles, then the welcome and thank you descriptions. Next, you will be able to do the same with the titles and descriptions of your questions. As you can see, you will be able to visualize how every change looks and make your design more attractive for your campaign. In Survey Kiwi, we have 79 different font options, with both traditional and modern designs that you can try and play with. Finally, you can also edit the colors of the buttons of your campaign. This is a detail that makes a difference. Let's see what you can edit. Button background. This option will modify the background of the button of your welcome and thank you screens, as well as the next button of each question. Option background. This option will modify the background of the answer options to your question. Text color. This will modify both the text color of the welcome and thank you screens and the text color of the texts in the next buttons for each question. Option color. This option will modify the text color of your answer options. Last but not least, the background section. The section where you will be able to modify your survey's background, incorporating images or personalizing the background with colors or textures. By clicking on color, you'll be able to select the background color you want for your survey. If not, you can choose an image for the background. Here you will find four options: My Images, Unsplash, Texture, and Colors. My Images, where you will be able to upload your own image from your device. Unsplash, where you will be able to search through high-quality images regarding different themes and find the image that best suits your survey. Texture, where you will find lots of textures to choose from. And Colors, where you will find pre-established and designed colors to choose from. If you choose to include a background image, we always recommend including one related to the theme of your campaign or survey. For example, if a survey is about the working environment, you can include an image of people working in an office, while if the survey is about a trip, then you can add an image of an airplane flying over a map. In this case, we're creating a survey for people who ate at a restaurant, so we are going to choose an image related to that. Once selected the background, you can increase or decrease the brightness for it to contrast better with your text, buttons, and images. The closer to the white side, the brighter the image, and the closer to the black side, the darker the image. This is very important because your main objective is to make the survey easy to answer, easy to read, and overall a pleasant experience. Modifying the background's brightness is crucial for making sure that everything is readable and nothing is seen as a challenge for your respondent. For example, this is hard to read, but this changes it completely and makes it readable. Finally, the background's position. By clicking on the different arrows, you will be able to modify your background's position if necessary. When you click on the square in the middle, your background image or texture automatically centers. However, sometimes you might not want your image to be centered. As you can see, designing your campaign is very easy and crucial for making it appealing for respondents. The more you design, the better you will become at it. Go create some surveys and have fun trying out different designs until you find the perfect one. Also, to learn more about SurveyKiwi's features, check out the rest of the videos in the Help Center.